Junior,
Huh?
get out there and blow that snow before customers start showing up.
What? Me? Why don't you do it?
I got these cats to watch.
So? It's freezing out there, Pa. Can't you find somebody else to do it?
I'll do it, Taryl.
Uncle Andy.
I love snow, and I love cleaning.
Okay, Andy, there's the shovel. Now get out there.
Okay, Taryl. Oh. I love the nightlife, baby. Do.
Jeez, Pa.
Do.
He'll be shoveling out there for a month at that pace.
Yeah, you're right, Junior.
I love the nightlife. I love the nightlife, Taryl.
Maybe I should let him use our snowblower.
You think that's a good idea, Pa? The guy couldn't even pour pee out of a boot if the directions were on the heel.
I'll show him how to work it. It's not that hard. He always wants to learn.
Have you met Andy? This guy could screw up a cup of coffee.
All right, Andy, this is the snowblower. It'll be faster and easier to clean the snow with this machine.
You really think so, Taryl? I was tearing it up out there.
Plus, it'll be easier on your back. So the first thing you're gonna wanna do is put the key in. And that goes right here.
Oh, is this the key right here, Taryl?
Yeah, that's the key.
Oh, well, I guess we'll just see about that.
What's there to see about it? It's the key.
Is this the volume control?
It's not a volume control, that's the choke. This isn't a stereo. All right, Andy, I'll just start the thing and you can take it from there. It's pretty simple to operate. You push this lever down and it makes it blow snow. You push this lever down and it makes it dry. Simple enough.
Okay, piece of cake, just like Mama used to make.
Sounds like he's doing okay out there, Junior.
Yeah, I guess so. He's wrecking our snowblower and our shop.
Oh no! You all right, Uncle Andy?
Oh, my gloves got stuck underneath these levers. I just couldn't keep up. When you hit that gas, this thing really goes.
Andy, I think your snowblowing days are over.
Oh, come on, Taryl. I was just starting to get the hang of it.
Junior, get over here and finish cleaning up this snow.
Great. Thanks a lot, Andy.
Get out there and blow that snow before customers start showing up.
Do it again, because I talked over you.
I love the nightlife, baby. Hey, what's up, Taryl? Hey, Junior. Hey, Taryl, what's up? I love the nightlife. I love the nightlife, Taryl. Do.
You think that's a good idea, Pa? He couldn't even pour pee out of a boot if the directions were on the heel. Ready? I'll do my lines too. Action. He's gonna be out there shoveling for a month at that pace.
Yeah, you're good.
Be looking out the window, then turn over and look at him.
Alright, hold on. Let me reposition it. Heck, this guy could. Should I say this guy?
Not make him cross-eye.
Ready?
Action.
Simple enough.
Oh, yeah.
What are you trying to say?
I didn't say nothing.
Oh, I thought you were interrupting.
I didn't say nothing. He said something.
Alright, redo it. So I was gonna say my line.
I don't have a line. I
What
just
I
stand
thought.
here and open the door. Action.
lines?
No, just do the lever. Action.
Do.